Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. Now today in this video we'll discuss about the simplification of BODMAS. Okay, last time in my videos we have discussed about the simplification of DMAS, that is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now we will include about our BO, that is BODMAS. Now we'll discuss about the simplification of not only DMAS but BODMAS. Okay, now we'll do the sums which contain the bracket only, that is BODMAS, totally BODMAS. First, okay, in order to get a unique value or the exact value of the numerical expression, we need to follow the order of the simplification or order or the rule of BODMAS. Okay, only by knowing, only by doing and only by following that order of BODMAS we can easily or we can exactly get the unique value or the exact value of the numerical expression, and that rule is called the following of BODMAS. Okay, now BODMAS, okay, I'll write BODMAS. Okay, now we have discussed about division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now we'll discuss about the bracket and off. Okay, off is order, that's very much simple, no problem, that will be converted into the multiplication sign. But B stands for bracket. Okay, now there are four kinds of bracket. Okay, now first bar bracket or line bracket or vinculum. Okay, so symbol is like this, minus, symbol is like this, bar. Okay, bar, not minus, bar. Okay, now bar bracket or line bracket or vinculum. Okay, the symbol is like this, the line segment. Actually this is not the line segment but bar or the line or the vinculum. Okay, the symbol is like this, bar. Okay, now number one, this is number one, first type. Okay, first type. Then second type, number two is round brackets or braces, or round bracket or small bracket, round bracket or small brackets or parenthesis, small bracket. Okay, that is round bracket or small bracket or parenthesis. Okay, this is the second type. Okay, and number three, curly brackets or braces, that is like this only, this is. Okay, first bar bracket, second round bracket or the small bracket, the symbol is like this. Okay, and third one curly bracket or braces or the symbol is like this. Now the fourth, first, second, third we have finished. Now fourth one, number four types of bracket, that is square brackets or rectangular brackets, or we can say big brackets. Okay, number four, square brackets, rectangular bracket or the big bracket, the symbol is like this. Okay, so these are the four kinds or the four types of brackets which are contained in the simplification of BODMAS questions. Okay, now we'll do some of the examples of the simplification of BODMAS questions. Okay, now I'll write the questions and how to solve the mathematical problem or the simplification of BODMAS. Okay, now first, before solving the BODMAS questions, we need to know about the order of removing the brackets. Okay, order of removing the brackets. Okay, number one, bar brackets. Number two, round bracket. Number three, curly bracket, and number four, big or the square bracket. Okay, bar, round, curly and the square or the big or the rectangular bracket. Okay, always while solving the BODMAS or these symbolic questions of the BODMAS, we need to follow the rule. We need to remove the brackets following the order. First bar, not the big bracket, first bar, then the like round bracket, okay, then the small bracket, then the curly bracket, then lastly big bracket. This is the order: first, second, third, fourth. Not the fourth, not the third, not the second. Actually we have to follow the rule only. Okay, like DMAS, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Similarly in this like symbolic questions or the BODMAS related questions, we need to follow the rule while removing the brackets, that is bar, simple or the round bracket, small bracket, then curly and lastly division. Or we can write like this: first bar, then this one, then curly and the big bracket. Okay, first bar, removing this round bracket, curly, then lastly big bracket. This is the order. This is the order of the removing bracket. Now I'll write some questions, how to remove, how to simplify the questions which contain the like brackets. Okay, now okay, I'll write some questions in my board. Okay, number 1, 27 13 plus 4 minus 8 plus 4 minus 1 plus 3, then okay, now actually seeing these questions, there is curly bracket, there is round bracket and there is bar. There are 3 types of like brackets. Okay, first we need to follow the order while removing the bracket. First we need to remove this bar, and how to remove this bracket, just follow me. 27 minus, just write this all as it is, minus, then don't add this one. Okay, don't be confused. First we have to remove this bar. Okay, just write 8 plus 4, and okay, the sign of 1 is minus and the sign of 3 is plus. Okay, don't subtract, just add only. Okay, that means first write this minus only. 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, then okay, now the small bracket and the curly bracket. Now bar is ultimately removed. Okay, just add these 3 and 1. Don't see the sign of this 1 minus, and last time I have told you the different sign will be subtracted, but in this particular questions, while the bar bracket is above the questions, above that numbers, just add only 1 plus 3 4, 1 plus 3 4, removing that bar. Now bar is removed. Now the small, the curly, the round bracket. Okay, you can add 8 plus 4 12. Okay, then again 27. Okay, you can directly do 8 plus 4 12, 12 minus 4 8. Okay, you can do like that also, and bar like that bracket will be the small, the round bracket will be removed, but you can do by 2 or the 3 steps, slowly. Okay, like 8 plus 4 addition, that is 12 minus 4, and the round bracket is there only. Okay, don't remove, don't remove. Then 12 minus 4 again, now minus, now 12 minus 4 will be 8. Now this bracket will be removed, round bracket is removed. Okay, subtracting 8. Now the curly one, 27 minus 13 plus 4 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 17, then minus 8. Again we have to follow the 2 steps. First addition, 13 plus 4 17, and minus 8 only. Okay, now 27 minus, now you can subtract, 17 minus 8 is 9, and this bracket will be removed. Okay, now 27 minus 9. Okay, we have to borrow. Okay, this will be 8 and 1 is remaining there, 18. Now 18 is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, it's very much simple. Just follow the rule of removing the bracket. Okay, now number 2. I'll do number 2. I hope you are following me. Now number 2, 105, 23 plus 2, 9, minus 5 minus 2, then okay, now first just write 105 division 23 plus 2, then 9. Okay, now again 5 minus 2 will be 3. 5 minus 2 will be 3. Removing the bar bracket. Okay, 5, don't see this minus sign, just 5 minus 2 will be 3, subtracting, okay, by removing the bar bracket. Okay, now again the small bracket. Now okay, again 105 division, then 23 plus 2. Now we have to subtract. Okay, to remove the round bracket we have to subtract. That means 9 minus 3 will be 6. 6, then curly bracket and the big bracket. Okay, now don't be confused. If there is no sign after this 2 and the bracket is there, we have to consider multiplication always. If there is curly bracket, if there is like big bracket, don't be confused. If there is no sign, just put multiplication. Just put multiplication out here. Okay, and we have removed this round bracket. Okay, now again 105 division, then 23 plus 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12. Multiplication. Don't add. Don't be confused. Don't add. Multiplication 6 to the 12 by following that rules of Demas. Okay, now again 105 division. Now we have to add this 23 plus 12, 3 4 5 35. Okay, 35. Okay, now again this curly bracket will be removed, that is by adding and by removing this bracket. Okay, now lastly we have to divide. Okay, there is only big bracket. After division this big bracket will be removed. Okay, now division 105 by 35. Okay, 35 how much? 35 how much? 105. Now 35 into 3. 3 5 is 15. 5, 1 is carry over, 3 3 is 9, 10. That means 3 times is 105, and your answer is 3. Okay, now big bracket or the rectangular bracket or the square bracket will be removed. Okay, this is the question. And last one I want to do for you. Okay, this is the number 2 for a better understanding. Now number 3, 35 plus now 15 plus 14, 13 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3, then now okay 13. Now the bar bracket is right from here. Okay, right from here. Now 35 plus then 15 plus 14 minus, now okay, you can do directly, no problem, just write 13. Okay, 3 4 5, 5 minus 1 4. Ultimately the bar bracket will be removed. Okay, that means 3 4 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. Just write this plus, then 4 only. Okay, 4 only. Now bar bracket is removed. 3 4 5 bar bracket is right from 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. No problem, you can do subtraction and addition, but bar bracket is right from 2 to 3. Okay, 3 4 5 minus 1 4, or you can 2 minus 1 1, 1 plus 3 4. No problem. Okay, now bar bracket is gone or the removed. Now 35 plus 15 plus 14, then there is sign out here, 13 plus 4 17. Okay, now this bracket will be gone, removed. Okay, now again 35 plus, now okay 15 plus 14, 15 plus you can add first, then subtraction after that we can do. 15 plus 14 29, then minus 17. 35. Okay, again we have to subtract. Now 29 minus 17 is 12. Now this curly bracket will be removed. Okay, now lastly we have to add 35 plus 12, 5 6 7, 3 plus 1 is 47. So this is the how process of solving the BODMAS questions, related questions. Okay, now this is the question. Now you are confused, you want to know about O. You can write the questions. I'll write for you. Okay, this is the how to solve the different mathematical problems. Now O. Okay, I will give you some examples. 45 plus 2, then multiplication 3, then of 6. Okay, now see, of is there. 45 plus then 2 into 3. Now of is converted into the sign of multiplication. Okay, last time I told you, if the question is like this, if there is of, okay, first convert this sign into the sign of multiplication. Then 45 plus, now you can multiply directly. 2 3 is 6, 6 into 6. Okay, then 45, 6 6 is 36. Of is like this only. Okay, now 45 plus 36, 45 plus 36, 11, 4 5 6 7, 81. 81 is the answer. So these are the basic rules of removing a bracket, BODMAS questions, how to solve the questions related to BODMAS. Okay, of we have done that bracket questions, and we have done that multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. Even of is we can do, even order we can also do like this only. I hope you all understood my videos.